The government shutdown is affecting millions of Americans across the nation. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down three simple steps that will help you generate more income. So whenever this happens again, God forbid, you will be prepared for it. And for those of you that are affected by this government shutdown, I am praying for you. You are in my prayers. And luckily for you, all you will need is just a phone. You don't even need a camera. If you have a camera, that's even better. But only thing that you will need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a phone. I'm gonna break it down for you. And for those of you that's new to my channel, I'm Javon. I'm a professional marketer for over 7 years of experience. Generated over $20 million online, and it's documented. We're working with clients from many different niches and verticals. Now let's get into the video. The concept of this process is to find out what these service-based businesses lack, right? The biggest thing that they lack is content. Even though that sounds so simple, I'm about to show you exactly how you can help and also make you money as well. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Google, right? So me, I'm in the DFW area. Okay. So let's type in HVAC near me. Okay. So boom, we see HVAC, and then you will look right here where it says like businesses, right? And don't be alone where it says like category finder, basic AI teleport. That's just, again, I have tools. Again, I'm a marketer. So of course I gotta know these things, right? So what you want to do is you want to look at, of course, the reviews. If you see people that already got like thousands of reviews, I'd probably be like, all right, I ain't gonna even mess with them, right? But for this one right here, New Rise Heating and Cooling, okay, I can mess with that. 343 reviews. Let's look. So what you want to do once you get here, you will just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Again, don't be alarmed on this side. Again, these are just tools. But here, let's look at their Instagram. What does their Instagram look like? Look at that. Like they're trying to do AI, but it's just images. So now they got a video. So they do doing video. So, okay, boom. So they did one video. Okay, okay. Boom. One video, but after that one video, we got images. And understand that in order to have that proper outreach that is needed, you need video. Understand, why do you think TikTok's so big? Why do you think Facebook and Instagram started to roll out reels, right? Why do you think they started to roll out stories? Right? Why do you think YouTube came out with YouTube Shorts, right? So understand that in order to maximize your opportunity in regards to content, you got to have video. So already, if again, if I was like, hey, well, I'm gonna pull up on them, hey, New Rise Heating and Cooling, whatever the case may be. Hey, I was looking at your social media and I'm seeing that you're not really focusing on video, and just have a conversation. Yeah, man. Well, I don't really got time. A lot of business owners are going to say they don't have the time. They don't have the time or they don't have the resources, right? So that's where you could come in and be like, hey, well, I can be that solution to your problem. That's it. Be a solution to their problem. Okay. So then you see that that's one opportunity. Now let's go back to Google and let's look at the Facebook. All right, let's see what they're doing on the Facebook. So, okay, good image, good image. Boom, yesterday, images. Same video we saw. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Love that. Then you got images, images, more images, right? So now you looking at that, you like, hey, they don't have video. Guess what? I can literally go to this business and be like, hey, so this is what I can do for you. Okay. I can come in, I can shoot content, I can edit the content, I can post the content, and then I can also create you more videos so you can utilize that for ads. Okay. And guess what? All you need is a phone. If you don't have a camera, that's cool. You can have a phone. You will utilize this phone, and then you want to look at other different softwares, editing softwares. But actually, you don't even need editing softwares if you don't have if you don't have it, you don't have to have those cap cuts or descripts. You can literally edit within Instagram. You can edit within Facebook. You can edit within TikTok. So literally, this is good. Here it is, right? So these three simple steps that I was telling you. First step is the research. What we just do. We literally just went on Google. We just went on Google and just found the business. Look, we can do another one. I don't know why it's showing that. Boom. Okay, so now let's look at another one. I'll do another one with you. Again, step number one, research. Boom. Look at more businesses. So again, oh, here go another one. Cool and Tech. Cool Tech Mechanical. Let's look at this one. 290 reviews. The reason why I'm clicking on the 290, because anybody that got 1,000 or more, they pretty much already covered on that, more than likely. Okay. So, boom. Cool and Tech. Let's scroll down. Look at their social media. So already I don't see an Instagram, but I see a Facebook. Okay. Already. Boom. See the Facebook. Come here. Uh-oh, we got, see, look at that. It's a video back in 2021. That's a featured post. But then September 2nd, image. Labor Day, image, image, image. No video, no video. So now they are already behind in the game. In order to compete with the top competitors in your market, you need video. So with that being said, you can come to this business as well. Okay. So step number one, research. We found our prospect. Number two is what I spoke about earlier, which would be your offer. Okay. Which will be your offer. Okay. You can run many different offers, but a simple offer that can get you moving forward. Hey, like literally, you can either reach out to them via call, send them an email. Well, no, you'll do both. Or if you want to really go the extra mile, you will go to their location. Okay. Normally they'll use they'll I can't even talk. Lord forgive me. They will leave you their address. Okay. So like let's see here. So go to their website. Do they have an address? So boom. So here, as you see, they have an address. So you can leave them, you can call them, you can give them an email, or you can even reach out, or not reach out to them, but go to that location, right? And there's other areas of outreach that you could do as well that I'll be talking more about in other videos. So please make sure to like, subscribe, and hopefully getting some value so far. Okay. Now, step number two will be your offer. Okay. How can you get them to be interested in what you do? If you don't have no experience, that's even better. Why? Because that means you don't have to jump out the gate charging $5,000, $10,000. Okay. So what you would do in the offer, you could literally do it at a highly discounted rate. So an offer could be like your new customer special, where you'll shoot 30 videos. You will drive to them, you will script their content, shoot their content, and edit the content. Now, to me, that sounds more so like an irresistible offer to where they don't got to do nothing but shoot. Now, there's another offer that you can run because you're going to come across more business owners that feel like, I don't feel comfortable in front of the camera. I don't got time to just spend time just be in front of the camera and just talk. I don't have time for that. Now, if you want that offer, that'll be more so geared towards AI. And we actually go over this more in detail within our free group. So if you want to be a part of our free group, I'll leave the information below in the descriptions. But back to the original offer, which would be 30 videos. I script, I shoot, and I edit the videos, and then it'll be on them to post. For an upsell, you can upsell them and be like, hey, well, I can post the content for you and respond to comments. Okay. We're doing that. Now you're handling the organic side for their business. Now, of course, Javon, how much do I charge these people? Right. I got you. If you're starting out and you just have a phone, right? Realistically, you want to be looking at charging, I would say anywhere between $400 to $600. I like 500 if you're just starting out. I don't like the 200 or 300 because that's going to take a lot of time to do, right? For just only 2 to 300. If you talk to this business or any business that you're going after, you want to break it down to them. Everything that I just told you to offer earlier, far as I come to you, I script, shoot, and edit your content, and it'll be equal up to 30 videos. If you go to any other agency, that's 2 to 3, 4, 5 grand. Okay. Also, if they was to hire somebody on their team to do this, that'd be bare minimum 1,500. So you're saving them at least $1,000, right? But here's the sweet part about it. Literally, if you were to close that deal, all you would do is go to either, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever the case may be. You can create the scripts for that business, and then you can use your phone, go to them, shoot that content. Then you can edit that content on Instagram edits, Facebook edits, TikTok edits, right? And you're good. So all you're doing is just taking time to do it, but literally for 2 hours, because 30 pieces of videos will take at least, depending on how fast you do it, 2 to 3 hours. Okay. 2 to 3 hours, you got your 30 videos, you'd have made you $500. Guess what? Now you can go back to Google, what we just did, and find you another client. So again, step one, research. Step two, offer. Step three, fulfillment. Before you go to them, you'll get on ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini and get scripts for that specific business within that specific industry. You want to make sure you have a hook, a value, and call to action. Once you have that, now you have the content scripts. When you have the content scripts, you will shoot them over to that business owner. So they already know exactly what the content looks like and all that good stuff, right? What you would do after that, you will go to them. And if you have an iPhone or if you just have a phone, you can shoot with that. Make sure it's the highest quality, of course. Or if you have a camera, even better. But you would shoot within that phone or a camera, and now you got the raw footage. You will take that raw footage, of course, you will put that in a Google Drive or save that somewhere on your phone or in your camera. I prefer a Google Drive. And then you will take those videos and go to Instagram edits, Facebook edits, or TikTok edits. And now you have become a social media content specialist. And it only costs you how much? $0.00. Because literally, I didn't spend no money on what I just showed you. We just looked at Google for free. We looked at these people's website, their Facebook, Instagram for free. And if you have a phone, you can literally utilize your phone to shoot, right? And then you have ChatGPT that has a free version, Claude that has a free version, or Gemini that has a free version. Get the scripts, shoot content based off of those scripts, and then you can edit within these social media platforms. If you found this video valuable, like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I'll be dropping more videos like this moving forward. All I'm about is just making impact and changing as many lives as I possibly can. That'll be my good work to do here on the world while I'm here on this earth. Well, I sound like a preacher. But anywho, hopefully you all got some value, and I'll see you all on the next video.